Hello, my name is Maria Fernandez and I'm a creative community herbalist. And today I want to share a little bit about planting a garden. So, first, planting a garden requires preparation, planning, looking at the land, preparing the bed, preparing the site, learning about plant companionship and plant preference, and learning about the phases of the moon. So right now I am planting annual plants because the moon is waxing crescent, and the waxing crescent moon creates perfect timing for these type of crops, roots, vegetables, flower type of plants that are going to come up during this phase of the moon is really good because the moisture of the seed is going to be enhanced with the soil and the moisture that's around the land. When I talk about companionship, we learn from the indigenous First Nation people that usually they would plant beans, squash and corn together, like the three sisters. So right now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be planting uh tomatoes with red peppers, tomato and basil, tomato and cucumbers. Those grow well together. But something like you never want to plant potatoes next to the tomatoes, and you also don't want to be handling tomato plants if you're working with tobacco plants. So these are things that, as you're growing a garden, if you learn certain tips and learn more about the plants, it makes your gardening easier. Make sure that you have an abundant crop. So learning how to prepare the soil and fertilizing with fish fertilizer or seaweed fertilizer, any organic compost that you can, like organic grounds from coffee or eggshells that are you know mashed. All of that would help your garden grow and have vibrant leaves and crops. So basically I had already put earlier some compost on my soil, and I had tilted the soil, and now I'm going to go back in and move it, and then label each time I plant a seed. I normally, what I do is I introduce some of the seeds under my tongue to create the relationship with this plant, as they're going to feed my family and I. So I want the plant to have moisture through my spit. I know it sounds gross, but this is all nature. It's all my waters connected to the plant, and the relationship, everything is connected, right? So this is a tomato. And so basically I guide myself with the instructions. So it says it needs 2 feet of space. So plant spacing 2 feet, and the row needs to be 2 feet apart. And not much in depth of the seed, so like very, top level. And it needs full sun. So those are the instructions. So basically, there I go. I put some seed, and you put more than usual because some seeds don't germinate. So you don't put one, you put more than one in the spot that you're gonna plant. So I'm moving the soil again, taking out any debris, roots, and reminding myself of the 2 feet space that it needs.